Hello there, Derek Beisner at Summit Mortgage. This is to all the realtors out there. I want to get out this video to you about helping you with your open houses, okay? You may have an open house coming up in the next week or two, and I would love to come help you with that, run the table, while you're showing your prospective buyers the property, and then better yet, following up with you on Monday with all your buyers that checked in and ask them 3 questions. It's real simple. How did you like the property? We want to give some seller feedback, right? Number 2, are you working with a realtor? And number 3, are you going to put an offer in? Those are the 3 questions. But if they say they're not working for a realtor, and this list came from you, I certainly will introduce you back to them, and you'll get a buyer, and possibly I'll get a loan. But that's how it works. Open house help, 949-637-9939. Bye-bye.